Did you know you can earn thousands of dollars in passive income by creating digital products? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a great way to create digital products in minutes. Spoiler alert, they are with low content books. These are journals, planners, notebooks, calendars, things where the customer has to fill out the interior. So I'm going to show you how to create a low content book, and I'm going to give you my insider secret to how I create low content books in just minutes so that I can have a bunch of books out there selling while I sleep. So make sure you follow this entire video, hit the thumbs up button, and let's jump right into it. I'm just going to do a quick search on Amazon because that's where we're going to sell ours. This book right here is selling for $5.54. They have 714 ratings, which means they've been selling a lot. And just to get an idea, $5.54 times 714. That's $3,955.56. One way to do it for free is to use Canva. So real quick, I'm just going to go over to the Canva website so you can get an idea of what they have available over there. This is the Canva website. Canva is a free platform where you can get all kinds of digital designs. And I use this not only for my low content books, but I use it for like all of my social media, my YouTube thumbnails, all of it. So as you can see, they have a bunch of different options. Again, this is a free platform, so you can find all kinds of different things here. What we're going to do is we're going to look for some budget planner ideas. Let's see what kind of interiors they have for budget planners here on Canva. So as you can see, they have a bunch of templates here that you can choose from. And so, you know, Canva doesn't just have the pages, but they do also have like book covers. So just so you can see what they have, these are some ideas of some book covers that are available on Canva. Now, it's important for me to note, you can't just take the designs that you find off of Canva, like when it comes to either the interiors or the book covers, you can't sell them as they are. You'll have to make some like significant changes so that you don't get like sued for copyright infringement. We don't want those problems. So let's get started making this book cover. You can type in book cover. So now these are our options. If we didn't already choose a template, they will have template suggestions over here. I'm just going to click apply both pages so you can see what it looks like. And now I have the front and the back. Me personally, I actually like the watercolors. So that's why I actually like this template.
I feel the need for speed. Ow!
Okay, there we go. All right, so now we have our design, a front and a back cover. See that? See that? Now, once you have that, you can upload your design into one of my favorite websites, and I'm about to show you how to make your life so much easier when it comes to these low content books. So this one right here, this is going to do everything that I just did, but even faster. So you can go to BookBolt, and I'm going to link it below this video. You can get a free 3-day trial. And if you do happen to keep the membership, you'll get 20% off for life. Okay. So I'm about to show you why you need this. BookBolt doesn't just do the planners, but they have all these other options as well. You can do puzzles if you get the Puzzle Whiz version. So that's like a little upgrade, but it's so worth it. Look at all these planners and stuff. BookBolt will have the interiors for you. They have a new and improved designer. So when you first come into BookBolt, they have a bunch of tutorials here. So as you can see, they have product search and keyword search, all of that. The best thing about BookBolt, I'm not going to say the best thing because they have so much going on, but one of the great things about BookBolt is you can spy on your competition and find out like the keywords they're using. And that way you can improve your SEO over there so that you can sell more than them. And I'm going to show you how to do all of that. You can do keywords. So I know I want a monthly budget planner, right? Let me see, monthly budget, boom, search. Now, these are our competitors. So to spy on this particular person, what we're going to do is we're going to take their ASIN number and we are going to throw it into BookBolt. So these are the keywords that we're going to use when we list our book. Now let's go to BookBolt Studio, because BookBolt Studio is the newer version of the BookBolt Designer. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to a new project because I was working on a different project. So we're going to do an 8.5 by 11 book because that's what our competition is using. Now, again, I'm doing black and white interior because I'm not trying to share too much of my profits with Amazon. So now we have all that. We have a name, we have everything. Let's create the project. Now we have everything that we need in order to get this book up on Amazon in just minutes. So let's zoom in a little bit. All right. So this is the cover. This is basically the book wide open, laid flat. So on the right is going to be the front. On the left is the back. And let me zoom in here so you can see this. That yellow block right there is the barcode. Amazon is automatically going to give us a barcode. If it needs one. Say, for example, if you wanted to use the cover, if you wanted to create covers on Canva, you could still do that. Matter of fact, let me just do that real quick, just so you can see it. Me personally, I find that Canva is really easy to use. I'm not yet used to the BookBolt Designer, but I will. Okay. But, this is just an alternative option if you happen to also use Canva. You can then upload an image and boom, boom. Now we have those images. So here, I'm just going to stretch this to make sure it fits in there. And that all blends in. Look how nice that looks. So just for the sake of time, we're going to take that image and now we are going to add the interiors. Now, me personally, I like to do a This Book Belongs to page. I already have it uploaded. As a matter of fact, I should. Let's see. Yep. Boom. So here, this is my go-to. I love this design. So now I have a This Book Belongs to page and I have a book cover. The thing about BookBolt is you can get page templates like that. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here and look at these interior templates. Like if you had the upgraded version of BookBolt, you can also do puzzles and stuff, right? So they have those as an option as well. Up here, you can filter if you want the free version, if you want pro only, or the ones that you've liked. Here we go, personal expense. So we can just use this, and I already told BookBolt how many pages I wanted, right? So boom, this is 120 pages. So let's just select all, and then we're going to unselect these two. So submit, watch the magic happen. And looky, there goes Cookie. So let me just move this out of the way so you can see it. These are all of our pages. It's still loading on my computer, but you can see all of the pages are going to be here. All right, so now let's just download this project. So this is the book cover. This is the front and the back. When we upload it to KDP, it's all one document for the cover. So the front and the back are in one document. This is what our interior is going to look like. And as you can see, it starts with This Book Belongs to, and then we can just scroll through and just check out the pages, make sure they look okay. There we go. I wanted to show all the pages. All right. So as you can see here on the left side, these are all of our template pages. So now we can upload to KDP. Okay. So now we go to kdp.amazon.com. This is what it looks like on here. You will sign in using your regular Amazon sign on. If you don't have an Amazon account, boom, sign up. I'm about to show you how BookBolt pays off with this as well. Hit create. And then from there, you would choose if you want ebook, paperback, hardcover, all that stuff is there, right? You would create paperback. Now, I'm about to show you how you really save time with BookBolt. So you can choose to fill all of this in manually, or you can use BookBolt and you can do all of this in advance and use it for multiple books, which is an incredible time saver if you are doing like multiples of the same type of book. Like if you're going to be making a lot of planners, or if you're going to be making a lot of journals, that kind of stuff, you can easily just plug and play. I'm just going to put my tab in there, Shift Y, boom, look at this. Now all of my stuff is filled in. So now all you have to do, save and continue. We can get a free ISBN that would be like the barcode and all that stuff for this. Boom, assign me an ISBN. Now, this is optional, the publication date, just leave that blank. Black and white interior, that's for me, but if you decided to use like a color interior, make sure you do that. So my trim size, let's make sure we do 8.5 by 11. Now you can create covers on Amazon KDP. I've never done it. I could only imagine how difficult it is. So let's upload our cover. All right. So this next section, this checkbox is only if you already have a barcode. All right. This is where the magic happens. Now let's just check our pages. And boom, when somebody opens it up, this book belongs to. Now let's save and continue. Now, just so you can see, this is how much it's going to cost for them to print it. Now, the primary marketplace is going to be Amazon. Now, if you're in another country, boom, boom, boom. Right here is what you will earn every time it sells on Amazon. It could take up to 72 hours for your book to be available to purchase. So now we're just going to click publish. So again, I'm going to link BookBolt down below. You can get a free 3-day trial of BookBolt when you sign up. And also, if you do decide to get like the actual BookBolt membership, you will get 20% off for life when you use my code DealFindingDiva. It's all one word, and just put that in there and you will be good to go and get your 20% off for life. These low content books are no joke. It's an awesome way to earn some extra money on the side while you sleep. I'm telling you, we have to get these streams of income going, people. I know this was a quick tutorial so that you can have the full version of what I told you in this video. But one thing that I am wondering is if you are interested in finding out how you can create digital planners and sell those. If you want a tutorial on that, please let me know in the comments. But if you did make it this far in the video, I want to be able to shout you out and show you some love. So do me a favor and drop a celebration emoji, because we are celebrating getting this money. With that said, please let me in the algorithm know that you like this video so I can create more of this content for you by hitting the thumbs up button. And also please don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, if you're interested in selling books for passive income, then I highly suggest you check out this video. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let it go.